inspiration behind Janjalpura is actually it's more like a social observation how people behave, people react to certain acts and reenactments, especially with weddings. How they become so gossip centric and they become so differently important for other people. So I just wanted to do like a complete social experimentation that had a lot of integrated art elements. We had Wahab Shah doing the opening, then we had some actors, then we had our own music. Risham did a great job today, and the whole idea of bringing so many multidisciplinary artists together with fashion.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together with the designers Hiba and Asif with their showstopper Rosie Gabriel.
We inspired by the blue pottery from Multan. We inspired by the ajrak from Sindh. We inspired by some motifs from Rajasthan. So everything is so colorful, so loud. And being a textile designer, we experiment with the surfaces. We create different kind of surfaces.
And saw some amazing acts, amazing designs, amazing models, a beautiful night. I loved all the collections a lot, but I think the last one, the finale one, Nisa Hussain one, was absolutely outstanding. The way they have executed this style, the way they have executed all their dresses, the way the models were dancing and the energy the singers brought to the stage, I think it was a beautiful act.
Such fashion events are extremely important for any society, for the economy of the society, for the revival of the economy of society, especially in COVID situation nowadays which we are passing through. Such fashion events are like breathing space for any kind of society. So we should welcome and we should encourage such kind of fashion events, and I think this would create a milestone.